In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Rockstar Games "Sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time" error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So in the search box at the bottom left, type in View Network Connections. After the option appears, click on it. Now find your active network adapter, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on it and select the option Properties. Then click Internet Protocol version 4 and open Properties. Choose use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. Once you type in that, click on OK. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check your date and time settings. For that, search for date and time settings. Click on the option. Now here you're going to find this option, Set Time Automatically. Toggle on for that. Then click on the option Sync Now. If the error persists, check your Rockstar account by going to rockstargames.com. Once you're in the website, click on this profile icon, click on Sign In, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Then again, click on the profile icon, select the option Account, click on Manage Account. Now here, go to the option Connections. Navigate to the Linked Accounts section, unlink any accounts, then link them again. This usually resolves the issue. Following these steps should get your game back up and running. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. In this guide, you will learn how to get an MLB TV free trial quickly and easily. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website mlb.com, then click on the mlb.tv section. Once you're on the page, look for the subscription options. And if a free trial is available, you'll see an option to start free trial, usually under the seasonal plan. Go ahead and select it, and you'll be taken to a page where you may need to enter your card details and billing information to activate the trial. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. And if you do, you can simply log in and continue. Keep in mind that the page may look slightly different depending on your reason, but just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's it. This way you can easily get an MLB.tv free trial. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.